Camera action.
5, 4, 3,
You know this is still
We're gonna
fun.
count for you.
1, go. Hi, my name is Mafundo, working at Birds of Eden. Today is our 10th birthday. Happy birthday, Birds of Eden.
Okay, so Birds of Eden, since it's 10 years old today, we decided that we wanted to celebrate in some way. So we've got all our most well-loved Instagrammers here, and they are going to be taking an epic walk through the forest so that they can capture the magic that is Birds of Eden. Yeah.
So I would just like to thank you all for coming out. I know it's season and a lot of you are very busy and it's the middle of the week and it's all of this, so thank you very much for everybody that came out, and then I'll see you all again throughout the day and at the restaurant at 12 o'clock. Cool, and you can follow Grace. Thank you.
So as we go along, I'll help you find certain of the birds, because some of them do hide in random areas, and you're more than welcome to ask me absolutely anything that you want. Yes? Is that alright with everyone? Awesome.
Congratulations and celebrations. I want the world to know how happy as can be. Congratulations and celebrations. I want the world to know how happy as can be. I would believe that I could be happy and contented. I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I left you, walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations. I want the world to know how happy as can be. Congratulations and celebrations. I want the world to know how happy as can be. I would believe that I could be happy and contented. I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart.
Here's another Toronto species that we haven't seen yet. Over there and over there. Okay, so the flamingos that we've got here are two different species. The very pink ones are called Caribbean flamingos, and the paler pink ones are the African greater flamingos. Much the same as the scarlet ibises, they have to get their coloration from the food that they eat as well. So that's that bowl of pink stuff that you see lying there. That is the desiccated stuff that we give them. Mix it with water, and then they eat it like they normally would in the wild. We use a pump action inside their beak to draw water in, push the water out again, and all the food gets left behind. The scarlet ibises are actually the national bird for Trinidad and Tobago, but they have not bred there in the last 40 years. These ones in particular actually came from Disney World, Florida. When they closed a certain water park, they had nowhere to go, so we took them. And then they bred and bred and bred.
Because they were happy. That's it.
Yeah, I think we started out with 18. We are now over 60.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I think it was very beautiful and very informative. We got to see some bits that one only sees on TV, and my daughter had fun.
I think families will really enjoy coming here and seeing, exposing the children to the different things to do in Port Elizabeth, especially, or sorry, not in Port Elizabeth, but in South Africa as a whole. Because sometimes we don't think that these things exist in our country.
So this is a labor of love for Lara and all her staff, and it's so impressive. I always love coming here, and I hope they see many more years.
It was an awesome experience here at Birds of Eden. Happy 10th birthday, and I hope there's many more years to come.
Big happy birthday. Yay!